Welcome to aminacademy.com. In differentiation, let us discuss about maximum and minimum values of a function. First, let us discuss about maximum value. Look at this figure, a figure in XY plan. A graph is drawn. Here, for each value of x, because of that x values increase or decrease, due to that y value is changing now. Here for each x values there is a particular y values, that is a value of the function, and after that it increasing certain manner. After that the point it attains the maximum value of y. Then for further x values it is reducing further. So in a particular point the function get maximum value of that y, that is called a maximum value of the function. Now in general, look at this figure here. This the maximum point for that x values, let it is a. Then the function value is, put that value of a in x here, that is f of a. This function is f of x function. Here in general we can explain this. Let f of x be a function with domain, means with x value, domain D is an element of R. Then we can say f of x is set to attain the maximum value. That is the point here, that for particular value of a it attains a maximum value of y. Then if you put that value of x in function, it gives the maximum value. Now further we can discuss here maximum value at a point a, that is element of the domain D, if f of x lesser or equal to f of a for all D, for all the value of domain D, all value of domain, that is all value of x is an element of D. In such a case, a is called a point of maximum. Then a is a point of maximum. Point of maximum value, or we can say f of a is called the maximum value. We can say it's a greatest value also, greatest value. Further you can say, or absolute maximum. Absolute maximum value. Here this function attains a maximum or absolute maximum at x equal to a, and that have f of a is the maximum value. Similarly, we'll discuss the minimum. Look at this another graph of xy plan. The curve is while x value is increasing from negative to positive, then its y value is decreasing because of the x value is increasing. After that, it reached some minimum point, that is the lowest point. Let that point also x value is a here. Then we can say this regarding the x value is a, the y attains the minimum value, that is lowest value, that is f of a. After that, further the increase of the x value, this y value also increasing like this. Means a particular point that the y value attains a minimum. Regarding this, we can say f of x is be a function with domain. F of x is a function with the domain D is a element or subset of R. Now here f of x is said to attain the minimum value at a point a is an element of D if the condition is if f of x is greater or equal to f of a for all x is an element of D. Here the point A is called the point of minimum. Therefore the point A is a point of minimum, point of minimum, and known as the, you can say, minimum value or the least value. At this point of A, the function gets minimum value, or least value, as well you can say absolute minimum. Here in this function, this point is a absolute minimum. This is a continuous graph. Here the absolute minimum is here, as well as the absolute maximum is here. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.